Here's something. If 1 inch of rain falls on a roof that is, say, 2,000 square feet in size, then you have better than 1,200 gallons of water that has to go somewhere. You want it to go down to the ground and away from the house. Does the house have gutters and downspouts? Not all houses do. If not, then on the roof just above an exterior door, there's usually a strip of flashing to direct rainwater to one side or the other. Now, there may not be the flashing. That just means that when it rains, you have to dart through the water falling off the roof when you go in and out of the door. It's unusual, but some houses have interior gutters and downspouts. That is, the gutter is literally on top of the wall. The roof doesn't overhang the wall, it empties into the gutter. The downspouts are inside the wall. If the house has interior gutters and downspouts, look them over very carefully, because if there has ever been a problem, the rainwater has probably drained inside the wall. Of course, if the house you're looking at has eaves, then don't worry about it. There are no interior gutters and downspouts. Plastic gutters and downspouts. Look them over for cracks. Metal gutters and downspouts. Check for holes rusted through the metal. If the gutter was made in sections, check the seams for leaks. Do you see any plants growing in the gutter? I'm serious. The gutters should fall at the rate of about 1/4 to 1/2 inch for every 10 feet of distance as they run to the downspouts. If the gutter bellies out somewhere, dirt can collect and plants can grow. It won't drain properly. Sight down the length of the gutter to check. Check the gutters and downspouts for loose brackets, straps, or nails. The most common way to hang a gutter is with a spike, that's a large nail, and a ferrule. Is the gutter nailed up to the fascia? If so, look for any areas where several nail holes are clustered together. This might indicate that the fascia behind it has dry rot and somebody was looking for good wood to nail into. Check to make sure the downspouts are connected to the gutters. Use a hose to spray the roof. Do the gutters overflow? If so, there's a problem. Do the downspouts channel the water where it's supposed to go? Are there splash blocks at the foot of the downspouts? They should slope away from the house to direct water out into the yard rather than toward the foundation or basement. Do the downspouts empty into an area drain? Does it work? Do the downspouts empty into some sort of capture system that stores the water and uses it later to water the lawn? Basically, you want to make sure that the water goes wherever it's supposed to go, and that should be away from the house.
I've got a lot more great stuff for you at houseiq.information. If you like what you've seen so far, do me a favor and tap the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. And click the link to watch some more great stuff right now.